Hey everyone, name's Jared, and I installed my Ikea kitchen about 3 years ago. So with that 3 years past, it's time to go ahead and give a completely brutal and honest review of what I think of the Ikea kitchen and how it's held up through the years. So let's do it. All right, so I've got good things and bad things to talk about, but let's go over the good things first. And it's pretty simple and easy. So let's talk about the Ikea kitchen cabinets, which I think is what people are most interested in. And this is the good news. They've held up very well. Nothing's broken. I don't have any visual signs of wear and tear. And I love the functionality and the look. They're easy to clean. I can wipe them down pretty simply with just a moist towel. So for the Ikea kitchen cabinets, no warping. They've been great. So as far as the cabinets go, I have no complaints, and overall they've been fantastic. All right, so now it's time for the bad. All right, so when you go to purchase a kitchen with Ikea, you can buy their appliances. So I chose to do that because they came with a 5-year warranty, which I didn't really find anywhere else at the time, and it was just much easier to order the appliances with the cabinets and have them delivered all at once instead of doing it from here and from there and dealing with all the delivery and all that kind of stuff. So, and I also wanted to make sure that it fit in the cabinets and everything was kind of set up so that way you could order them and they would fit in correctly. That's why I went with them. And I'm not going to name the brand. You can look it up yourself. So far, the stovetop and the microwave have been fantastic, but the in-wall oven, not a fan of. And mine broke about 2 years in, pretty close to 2 years. I went to look online to fix it, and what needs repaired and what's going on. It was throwing error codes. Those error codes pointed to a couple different things that I wasn't willing to fix myself. Fortunately, I had the warranty, so I had them come out and fix it. At least it got fixed, which is what the warranty's for, so that's fantastic. But after reading through forums and other people talking about how to fix them online, it came down to this in-wall oven and regular ovens that they make all have this problem. And it seems like they just keep making them and making more of them. And I don't know why they haven't addressed the problem instead of just putting out this product that will break. And especially if you do one thing, if you hit the self-destruct button, which is the self-cleaning button. Never use that. Basically, whenever people have used that, that's usually when the error codes start happening. Even to the point where, for safety, they will lock your oven and you won't be able to open it. So Ikea, I think you could find a better appliance maker to help you guys sell your kitchens, or maybe that company could actually fix their ovens and build them correctly so they don't break within 2 to 3 years, or when you press that self-cleaning button, which to me is just unacceptable. So there you have it. That's the biggest problem I have with my Ikea kitchen is the in-wall oven, which really isn't entirely Ikea's fault, but they are the ones that are selling one specific brand, and that's the brand. And that brand has problems with their ovens and in-wall ovens, and it's always the same thing. It's working now. I'm not sure how long it will continue to work. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will continue to work and I won't have to get it fixed again. So if you stayed this long, I'm gonna give you one bonus. I'm gonna talk about the sink. The sink was super inexpensive for sinks. And it's one of the farm style sinks, which we would like a lot. The problem with that sink is it tends to stain a lot. However, it's a pretty simple fix. Just look up how to clean them. I think it's like baking soda, so that way you don't ruin the enamel surface. That's one of those things where if you're willing to live with it, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, I got a sink for under $200. Like, that's pretty insane. So I like it, but I don't like it just because it kind of stains and I have to clean it pretty well every couple months. All right, if you found any of this is helpful, give me a like down below. It just helps out, of course. That's it. Cabinets are fantastic. I love them. I do it again. The appliances are, and it's specifically one that's the worst out of all the appliances, at least that I know of. If you have appliances and you've had problems, put some comments down below. That's it. So until next time, see ya.